Hi, this is my video on exploring Manager Practice Area. So I'm already there and I'll turn editing on and add a block. I go here, click on the arrow, and I'd like to add a QR code. Okay. And I want it to be on the left side, so I click on the settings and configure QR code block and use default setting. Where the block appears, I select any type of course on the left side, and okay, I want it to be first. And on this page I want it to be visible and also on the left and first. So I'll save changes, and here it is. I'll add another block. I'd like a calendar, and I'll also put it on the left side because there are less blocks there. So I click on the settings and configure. Okay, and on this page I want it to be on the left side, and I want to be on the second place, and save changes. And here's my calendar. I'd also like to add upcoming events, so I'll select upcoming events, and I will also put it on the left side. Okay, configure. Okay, on the left side, can come on the third place, visible, yes, and on this page also on the left side. Okay, third, and save changes. And here the upcoming events. If I want to add an event, I go to calendar and create new event. So I will write the title for the event, let's say Zoom meeting. And select the date, 8 February, and time, and type of event, course, and save. Okay, and then I will go to the calendar, and here is my new event. Okay, I'll go back and add another block. I'll add online users, and I will also put it on the left. Okay, I configure the block and select it on the left, and for on this page also select left, and save changes. Okay, here are my blocks, and After this video, I will delete them by clicking on the settings and select delete.